In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tasks in Hubstaff. Whether you're managing your team or simply organizing your own workflow, knowing how to efficiently edit tasks in Hubstaff can save you a lot of time and keep your projects on track. So let's dive right in and explore how you can do this seamlessly. First, you need to open up Hubstaff Task. This is your starting point. Make sure you're logged into your account where your tasks are listed. Take a moment to ensure you're in the right workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams or projects. This step is crucial as it defines where these changes will be applied. Now, direct your attention towards the left side of your screen where you'll find the Home button. Click on it. This Home view presents an overview of all your current projects and tasks, effectively giving you a snapshot of everything you're working on. It's like arriving at a digital dashboard, ready to navigate your way through any pending tasks you might need to tweak or update. Next, look through your task list and locate the specific task you want to edit. This is the task that requires some modifications. When you find it, click on it. Be thorough in your selection to ensure you're editing the correct one. This helps maintain both accuracy and efficiency, particularly when dealing with numerous tasks in the queue. When you have clicked your chosen task, a new window will pop open. This is your Task Details window. It displays all the information related to the task you clicked on, providing you with everything you need at your fingertips. In this window, you have full control to make the necessary edits. Begin editing the task. Perhaps you're adjusting the task name, changing its description, or updating the priority or due date. You could be assigning new team members or even modifying the task status. The window gives you the flexibility to make quite a range of changes. Be mindful and review each change to ensure it aligns with the overall project goals. Consistency is key, and this is where you can fine-tune the details to achieve it. And there you have it. Once you've finished editing, double-check everything. Ensure all updates are in place, as this step is critical for task management and accuracy within your projects. By following these steps, you've successfully edited a task in Hubstaff. Remember that keeping your task updated not only helps with personal productivity, but also greatly enhances team collaboration. A well-organized task list can make all the difference in the successful execution of projects. I hope this guide was helpful, setting you on the right path to streamlining your task management in Hubstaff. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.